In this video, I'll explain the experiment that I designed in Python to check if n-1 is a better number to take than n while calculating sample variance. So here you go, check here. So deviation square, this is the list of deviation squares that we will create. Here I have created a set of lists, you can see. So those are to store the results, and for I in range 0 to 10,000. So I'm taking samples for 10,000 times, random samples, random dot sample population, POP is population and 10 is the size of the sample. I'm taking 10 sized samples 10,000 times and checking if the variance at n-1, n-2 and n-3 which is better. I'm trying to check that. So rest of all is very simple. You can see that I'm just appending these values in the empty list that I have created before, and the formula, if you want to understand, so it is so for every value in the sample minus the mean of the sample, and whole square, which is the numerator when you are calculating variance, right? So in the below lines you can see I'm dividing it by n, n-1, n-2, n-3, and then the dev2 dot clear is just to make sure that every sample will go and append in the same list. It won't happen, so I'm just clearing the list once this is done, and I'm adding another list into dev2 list. Okay, so PV equal to NP dot variance of POP, this is the population variance. So here in print statements, whatever the result I want, which is the difference between the variance of your population and the mean of the sample variances that we have got. Why am I taking mean of sample variations? Because here I have taken 10,000 random samples. I'm taking a mean of those sample variations so that there won't be any sampling bias. One sample will give you one variance and another sample will give you another variance, because in different samples the numbers change. So I'm taking a mean of those so as to avoid the sampling bias. Okay, so this is it. Thank you. Happy learning.